Hello, my wonderful people, my beautiful people, my sweet people in the building. Hey, wait, I don't get if I don't catch this one time we cast the room and they see just when my belly no. I say my belly they pack full of load. They load plenty, my people. I say my cat ginger on a spirit this morning time. Yes, my people. Now your girl die Monique in the palace. Wait, I no gain if I no come. I slap police for your case, oh. Cause your papa no be Dangote. Cause I dey leke, we go dey okay. Cause your mama no be Dangote. Cause I dey leke, we go dey okay. I go Oshodi for your case. So I say, man over sing, I don't know the song. Yes, now they get this. Teniola. She will be in Cameroon on the 5th and on 6th of March. My people, una go join see as this girl go perform. Now our famous Nigerian rapper freestyle. This girl when she give freestyle like that, you go just shake water. Yes, that's what they do. Sweet. Then your lady come Cameroon for Yaoundé and Douala on the 5th and on the 6th of March. Yes, my people, I beg. Una stop to una nonsense so. Then your lady the smoke banger for stage. Then your lady dress naked. I don't know the one no get any time. Yes, I don't know the excuse for no get on the time. If una send away, we go just say and say na me jealousy. We go just say and say the one na me jealousy. Yes, my people. More talk as day for this house. We go just say and say, now me jealousy, this one are the jealous Nigerian people them. For no good reason. So Teniola, you are welcome to Cameroon. We are already giving you flowers. Yes, my people. I want ton. I jam some posts for Gandive. Where now some BI they resign. Hey! Waiting I no gain if I just na this story. BI don't write resignation letter for Guillaume for Bridget Benjamin mother hen. Say he did resign because he don't see and say this particular fight with Bridget Benjamin the fight now for a personal aim. Now for your own personal aim. So he did resign, he no want this nonsense again. So with a resignation letter, it calls on small people. They like Helena, Helen Epu, Bridget Benjamin. It just sideline that kind of small name. The way they only pass, kosh me yo. My people, remember say on Metisi birthday, Gandive post Metisi picture. Yes, he personal, private, international, sentimental relationship boyfriend. Yes, my people. And this he post the picture, say happy birthday my boyfriend, my one and only boyfriend. Let me say all the grinders they can't give their own happy birthday. Honoring a manga just can't talk happy birthday. My brother, my sister, they just go carry the woman in name. They can go for their compound, Chris Cow their compound. They caution. So one of the beehive then she done down. They didn't think and they said this one didn't witchcraft this. They be now witchcraft this for daylight. Say now only comment to person they just picky number. They just picky for last. Wait till na the final for Gandive back. I say even I say a Gandive do na something. Why would not they follow up people there they follow it? No be na witchcraft this. So that woman resign. Before I resign, write some long notes. He said now for them say he don't see and say no. They are fighting out of personal, private thing. No be na say they fight for anybody. Because if they would fight for anybody, if we see him. So he resigned, he sent the letter to one of the Chris Cow them inside their big style fence. They go give them. Now so my people, this woman don't tell them, say no day again. If I were going to live with small gist. Yeah, my people. na Grandive go car broke the coconut on Sunday. You know, say Grandive dey, so you no one really reply to all these things them now because it dey on. See what remember say see why it case no don't your big compound. So it's on that case. Yes, my people. Coming on. I did read now my big book for here. I want ton for inside blue eye. I want go see. Now Wokobushi Mel. My people. See Wokobushi Mel. Now you wake up on your own, oh, you give your post. You say you want wake up for morning time, you don't see 10 bloggers them. When I gossip bloggers, 10 gossip bloggers them. Mo go find my team for do blah blah blah. And so oh my sister. See, me I begin look me up to you. That means say now you see the blogger there, they begin follow you. And see most of these small blogger there, they come out, especially these small gossip blogger there, they come or they begin follow you. They follow you, share your posts, all that kind of thing them. But when you want to criticize win and you know they fine because the story no go well. More go find thing for do, we do different thing. If he be say glam mommy, shushu Stacy, he don't do his own. He don't take his own Mitch, na like him. No be na new thing say na Grandive bring with the particular gossip vlog in limelight. No be na new thing. So the fact say we carry our hair like angel, no be na bad thing. Now we will like him because say if enough, if we know for the enjoy the way he do and enough for the do fine, and if she was not doing well, we know for try for copy because all we na copy now. Where papa mommy not be see as person do charity before one do your own charity. That's small thing. Now before God lay over your heart say me do charity. Now see the same thing no. How would you make her like say we copy? Or would the copy inside Cameroon? Or will the copy now just will push your brother there up. Now just to tell them say where as they so I give them advice. No make her because as I see they post my heart cut. I say yes I be a new blogger where just come up. I'm gossip blogger more than for that. And I must bring it in with my compound, with my palace. We can't talk about them. Say maybe you the talk one of we, especially me too. Why just come new so yesterday. You get for the advice we give it sweet advice there. Where one go this side no pass on the road. Where one go for this side no pass on the road. You understand no? So I move. You respect and reciprocal thing. When you want to start the blast whistle for social media, you need go well no, you know fine. You understand no? Try for know how you get for the cuddle we, you get for the pet we. If you start some person they go on where right see say dear thing so you know fine. You need the flow for the why you need the flow for the you understand no? That for the cost we, you understand? Yes, I go put on the post for here my people. I want ton and see Kosi. Why we not define problem for inside 237 una no say una no fit for handle am? Why una the work a find problem una no say una no fit for handle this problem? My people, ma tell una this story. Kosi we call light the camera the other day the gosh Stanley Eno talk all kind thing. This is another comparison, comparison. Stanley Eno is this, Stanley Eno is not that. My people, yesterday, Kosi just wake up, he apologize for Stanley Eno. Say, yes, I do a wrong thing. I want that may you forgive me. We are one, and so on. Even if Stanley Eno forgive you, you sure say you not see flow like because you go bring some in those days picture. That way, Amadou you job still before chair. You bring them, say, yeah, remember this time we were together and so on. You know me, no nothing. If you were together and you are my friend, you go work on like your camera, you blackmail me or you talk rubbish. You expect me say me and you will still be fine tomorrow. You don't come say you want to apologize. No, me and you will not be fine again. The story go end. Maybe me and you will talk one or two talk them that really cordial relationship, that sentimental relationship, it no go be my people. How we know the understand the particular thing so? We get to understand this thing. It no go be. So we get to understand say Not just wake up some one day, go insult your friend, cause she all kind, cause you think say tomorrow you come back for you, accept you. Now try for the understanding thing. Change. Cameroonian musician, now be fun of that. Now really be fun of that. Ask ya. I don't already finish all my talk while I'm talking for today, my people. If you not watch up to this time, I never subscribe back. Wait till you get one and not subscribe. Subscribe so now the hear hot gist them. I beg. See Bridget Benjamin or Mother Hen. The game is over. Give up. Let's give up. Oh man, your people are tired. Your friends are tired. Even your colleagues, your fellow beehive, your old fellow bat flies them. Except say now you go create 10 account now for can coach people. It don't make sense again. Those people are tired already. They want to go. Set them free. My people, peace. See you guys in my next coming video.